Ito si Diana. Uy! Tulis ng serve. Martin. Better height. Ayun, off the block.
Pumawi agad.
Bawi si Ian Martin. So, Letran is back in front. Ito, mas magandang bigay para kay Martin. Tama yung distansya sa net at yung taas ng set. And magagaling siya sa likod. Ooh! Still a good pass. Nitura. Oh, one motion quick for Letran. And we will arrive at the first technical timeout here. Estrelier setting that quick. And the 8th point of Letran, 8-6 lead for them. Magbabalik po kami. Kaya pati yung spikers medyo nag-a-adjust. Kanda naman ng serve. 4 na sunod-sunod na puntos para sa EAC so far.
Oh!
Sari ends it. And Letran gets the point.
Medyo may gigil dun sa palo itong si Sari. And kung makikita natin yung mga blockers din ng EAC, hindi sila naka-position. And pag medyo nakahiwalay ka kasi sa net, medyo malayo ka sa net, mahirap talagang makakuha ng block.
Estrelier. Sari will try. Again, De Andres with a track down. Uy! Bumalik! Pero buhay pa! Good reflexes by De Andres. Wow! Great effort. And now EAC has a chance.
Oh!
Jaja Villena detonates in front.
Mas nakaka-hype yun, Martin. Yung mga ganong klase ng setup play.
Kailangan makita natin yung save.
Oo.
Bago to. Hasn't been herself here in the first set. Eto ulit siya. Binigyan. Pero yung floor defense ng EAC na itatawid pa. Silva with the underhand setup for Martin. De Andres. It's our liberos setting up their teammates now. Aliman. Estrelier. Easy up. Judel. Nandun si De Andres. Aliman. Bumuelo. Power naman ngayon. Silva with a save. Here we go. Our two liberos doing a fantastic job in keeping the ball alive. Makilang using the net. And Gia scores. I-comment lang natin yung duelo as we see the point here from behind by Makilang using the net again. The effort of our liberos. These are actually two of the best. Judel Nitura. Let's see if she can get it going. Serve. Dayanan. Makilang. Keeps it up. Martin! That hit the ground first. So Martin ties it up.
Yup. Medyo na dito hindi na-expect ni Villena na mapapalo at magagawan pa ng paraan ni Martin yung angulo na yon.
Tsaka lumilipad dati. Ngayon pa rin naman. Kaya pa eh. John Victor Guzman.
Ay, nakakabis yung mga panahon na yun.
Bumalik ka na daw. Ito na.
Yeah.
Nag-uusapan natin si Aliman now. She is starting to variate it.
From 2 attack errors, from 2 successful attacks. Dito kanina parang ang taas ng percentage when it comes to floor defense. Pero pagdating sa attack, medyo nakukulangan ako. Either the drop ball nila, papalo sila, mag-error sa attack. Minsan ipupush nila, error pa rin. Alam mo yun, sayang yung mga defense sana kung nakukonvert nila lahat into point.
Itong Letran. Two-handed push by Gia. Running hit this time. Pasa ulit ni Judel. Back to Makilang. Bodonal will try. Drop ball. That hasn't worked. Gia from the middle. Challenging a taller player in front of her.
In fairness sa jumping ability niya, ang taas.
Ito si Gia Makilang,
player, ibang-iba. Dahil ultimo yung mannerism mo, napapansin na isang veteranong player. Yung laro mo pa kaya.
Nakikita nila yung laro on a different perspective. Ooh! Bodonal.
Erica Bodonal.
Ito, nakukuha na niya yung rhythm niya. Erica Bodonal with a sharp hit. Down this time, Magnayi was able to set that one up. Lalabas dito si Magnayi. Si Patrice Tumayaw, nakapasok lang. And here she is. Giving it to Gia Makilang. Oh! Still alive!
Oh!
Uy!
Miscommunication.
Magkaharap na pero
Point for the Lady Knights.
pareho nagkahiyaan.
Oh.
Ito si Alimen at si
Substitution for the
Well, a great
For
effort para kay De Andres. Kaso, hindi nila alam kung sino babalik ng bola sa kabila. Kaya may ibang mga players din na tayo nila, ginagano nila sa jersey nila, binabasa, oo.
Si Fermento usually may ano yan. Beam po yan sa para maiwasan as a setter. Oh, this one
Block
is
point. Erica
set
Bodonal.
back by Bodonal. Medyo may konting swerte.
Single
Dito
block.
sa sequence.
Single block, no?
Single block tapos maganda yung naging direct. Huwag mong bibigyan ng opening ang Letran. Kasi kukunin nila yan. At magsusunod-sunod. Here they are. Colendra puts it down.
Grabe, on cue. Huwag mo talaga bibigyan ng pagkakataon ng Letran. Dahil the more na tumatagal, the more na mas natututo ng mga players na to, Martin. And the more na mas may makikita kang pagbabago sa laro na pinapakita ng Letran.
Kakapasok ba lang ni Colendra? Pumuntos agad. She's coming off a 13-point performance. EAC's main gunner, Razonable, is also back in the game. Colendra, sinalo ni Dayanan. They go to Alex. Off speed does not work. Here is De Andres. Balik kay Razonable. Letran will set it up. Colendra, nagaplisan, and she scores again. Tabla tayo. 20 apiece.
Well, in fairness dito sa mga attackers ng Letran, mas nanggigigil sila, mas nagiging tumataas yung adrenaline nila pag aatake sila.
4-0 run para dito sa Letran Lady Knights. Jen Umapas is back in the game. Magnayi also replaces Fermento. Okay, si Dayanan din yung pinalitan ni Coach Rod. So Letran, again after the challenge.
Diba?
Nag-momentum na. Oh, nice serve. Razonable. This one is picked up. Over to Sari. Deflected. Underhand. Set for Razonable. Wala pa rin. Magnayi. To Jen Umapas. Tracked down by Silva. Razonable. No. And Letran pulls ahead.
Grabe. I think, ilan na to? 5 straight points para sa Letran. Right after that unsuccessful challenge by EAC.
Credit natin half of that point to Lara May, who kept the ball alive. Jen Umapas. It rolls back to their side. Razonable. Silva was right there. Sari.
Oh!
Vanessa
Headshot.
Sari.
And a point for Vanessa Sari.
Yeah.
Good sportsmanship shown as well as he checked on, or she checked on Bodonal or Magnayi right away.
Ang bilis nung kamay, Martin. Ang bilis nung kamay.
Grabe. Ito,
22 serving 20.
7 sunod-sunod na puntos para sa Letran.
Medyo masakit. Makatatlo nga lang, Martin, medyo masakit na eh. Yung 7 straight points pa kaya.
Again, it's
Grabe
Silva
siya.
cleaning the floor.
Wow!
And that's a point.
Berenice
Score.
Colendra.
Berenice Colendra.
Time out
23 to
by
20.
EAC. Score is 23-20 in favor of Letran.
Hindi ko sinabing kunin mo. Di ba pinag-usapan natin sa dugout kanina? Bakit kinuha mo sa loob? Mataas ang bola niya.
Mix inside the court. Tignan natin kung makakapatay agad.
Ito, lefty push.
Aha.
Gonna work.
Chance ball again.
Sari. Maganda yung
Wow!
buwelo ni Vanessa Sari. Set
Vanessa
point
Sari.
for Letran.
Ang ganda ng take-off. Ang ganda ng anggulo. Ang
The Lady
ganda
Knights are now at set
ng
point.
palo.
Vanessa Sari now with 5 points. Patrice Tumayaw getting extended minutes, especially at the service line. Dayanan, one-handed save. Sari, aanguluhan. Formento, setting up Podonal. Ito na ulit, si Vanessa Sari. She is denied, but saved by Tumayaw. Colendra will try. Dayanan. Ito, Sinapal. Kept up. Long exchange. Bibigay nila kay Sari.
Wow!
Angled hit. Will work for Vanessa Sari. And that's the end of set number 2. Letran unleashing a furious rally led by Vanessa Sari. They end set number 2 on a 10-0 run to take a commanding lead.
Kailangan makita pa rin nila Coach O kung ano yung mga things to improve once na pumunta na sila sa semifinals dahil ibang timpla na naman ang makikita natin.
This is important for Letran's growth as we see. Alimen no-scored hit. So EAC, couple of points after the timeout. Sumusubok, kumapit. 9 points now for Alimen.
6 serving 8.
6 serving 8. It's Cara Dayanan. Now on deck. Silva with a perfect pass. Middle attack will not drop. Alimen!
Wow.
Yes! Back-to-back points for Alimen. So ito na ang EAC. 3 straight after the technical timeout.
At ang 2 points ay nanggaling kay Alimen.
Yung nilalaro nila kanina. After a devastating set 2 loss. This is Vanessa Sari!
Vanessa Sari.
Grabe. Iba talaga pag may height advantage, Martin. Iba yung may height advantage ka na at meron ka pang mataas na talon. Iba.
Silva. Back to Gia. Again.
Kanina patayin siya ni Villena but this time meron agad sagot. Itong si Gia. Down the line hit.
Diba?
The most consistent player sa laban ng Letran versus EAC.
Dito sa stretch na to, hindi maitabla ng EAC, ha? Underhand. Give for Gia. Dahil di nila matabla, dahil yan kay Gia Makilang.
Diba? Either outside, either open, either opposite. Well, getting ready to si Gia.
Makilang now with 13. Dayanan. Tumayaw. Sari. Ando si Di Andres. Dayanan. Dinrap. Colendra. Wow.
Colendra.
Marami pang pwede mangyari, Martin. Malay natin, makahabol pa itong EAC.
Here is Sari. Returned.
Oops.
Kilang from behind. No. They bring it to Dayanan. Tumayaw. Silva. Sinetap si Colendra. Colendra. Lakas talaga ng palo. Inisyan Colendra. Drop from behind doesn't work. Tumayaw. Yes! And what a set by Princess Tumayaw as well.
Ang galing.
Kando. Faking out the blocker.
Diba? Kung ako sa mga blocker, talagang malalaman mong litong-lito sila. Hindi nila alam kung saan ibabato ni Tumayaw yung mga set-up plays niya.
What a gem for Letran itong si Princess Tumayaw. Imagine you have Estrelier as your primary and a secondary itong si Tumayaw. Two-handed push is not gonna work. Isar gives up the free ball. Dayanan, Tumayaw, absorbing it. Colendra again. Her power is overwhelming this EAC defense. She now has 8 points off the bench.
18 serving 12.
ni Shen Colendra. They'll be the first team in the history of the league to reach double figures in wins sa volleyball. Kasi first time natin mag-second round.
Yeah, totoo, tama.
Diba?
History. Wow.
Oh, Letran is rolling.
For the Lady Knights.
What a push. It is Enverga keeping that ball alive, and then that one motion quick for
Substitution for the turn.
drops right through the middle.
18 serving
No room for
24.
errors.
Totoo.
Very
6 na
easy.
puntos. 6 na puntos pa ang kailangan nilang habulin dito, Martin.
Ito, jump serve. They go to Makilang. One-handed save by Aliman. Dalawa yung kumuha ng bola. Hindi tumawid para sa EAC. And Letran sails to their 10th win here in season 100. First to double-digit wins here in the NCAA. The final. It is a sweep for the Letran Lady Knights.